This is your reading for Sunday, April 6, 2025. You're going to be feeling very motivated and positive about pursuing a particular idea that you had. Your intuition is very strong at the moment. Your desire to achieve this is very, very strong. It's like your face is towards the sun. There must have been a period earlier where you were not feeling as motivated about this idea, but now you are very sure. What you need to keep in mind is that work hard on this, because whatever you put in over here, slow and steady, but it will come back to you, slow and steady. But also remember to include some time for fun, and going out, having fun with your work, keeping the childlike curiosity and fun approach towards your work, and not getting all serious and burning the night oil and not keeping any time for relaxation. The best work is achieved, the best ideas come when you are relaxing and doing nothing. That is going to be important to achieve this work, and do it in the best manner possible. uh, if you don't adopt the playful and fun approach to your work, you are likely going to be very overwhelmed, and you might also feel that, oh my god, what have I done, why did I take this up? um, this is too much for me. It's not too much for you. It's going to happen if you don't take breaks, if you don't rest. That is all. Now, over here, somebody else over here could also provide you with a lot of motivation to get this work done. There are past fears over here. There is also a fear of the unknown, and you are constantly feeling that if I adopt this approach, all hell is going to break loose. But because you cannot see exactly what it is and how it is, and despite the fact that your intuition is telling you that probably this is the right thing to do, you are not very sure about it. This is stemming from your past fears about the topic, and it is mostly in your thought that everything is going to collapse. It's your mind that is creating these scenarios, and it is, yeah. So your mind is creating these scenarios because this is a mindset that you have been holding for a very long time. And whenever that you start a new work, whenever you approach a new work, you first start doubting yourself. Am I capable of doing this? Will this give me what I want to? It's like wanting to see the result and the outcome before you have put in the effort. Now that is an attitude that will change. Either you will change it yourself if you start working on it, or the universe will force you to change that attitude. There will be something that will happen which will force you to rethink that and understand that this was an attitude that was not serving me, and I need to change this. Okay. uh, this will create a shift in your the lack mentality, that others have it and I don't have it. Why is everything good for others? It's not like that. You have the capability to do it, but it's mostly creating scenarios in your mind before you have even started working on that task. um, there is also there is also there is also a fear of the unknown. Yeah, there's also a fear of the unknown. There is also a desire to control the outcome and do things exactly the way you want to. Like, I want clarity about it now, even before the task is over. That can't happen. And there is a very definite change that is coming over here. If you change your attitude, if you put in your hard work, if you put in a good amount of rest and relaxation, you will see that all this fogginess that you have of wanting to control the outcomes, this is going to disappear. You will get the clarity and the victory that you want to achieve. A major chapter in your life is coming to an end. It could also involve you traveling somewhere. If you have already applied for a visa or something, then it is going to come through very, very fast. There is some travel coming up for you in the future, and this is a travel which could be related to it could be related to a relationship. It could be a relationship that you have been pursuing. It could be a relationship that is in a different part of the world, geographically very far away from you, and there has not been much movement. Now you are going to see movement, and now you are going to see reciprocity in the relationship. It could also be a career opportunity or an interview that you are looking for, and you are going to get what you deserve if there has been nothing that is coming to you. The only thing you need to release is constantly questioning yourself. Am I capable of it? And this is creating doubts in the scenario. And this could be stemming from a childhood scenario where you didn't feel heard. You didn't feel that your ideas were appreciated or your ideas were given importance. It is very likely that when you were younger and when you were wanting to talk about your things and you were super enthusiastic about it, the adults around you or the mentors or the peers or your teachers, they kind of dismiss those ideas, and maybe some of them even made fun of those ideas. Oh, you're so childish, you don't understand what the real world is like, and that has created this doubt in your mind, and which is why even now you're constantly doubting yourself. Okay, but you know inside you that your intuition is strong, that your voice needs to be heard, that your voice needs to that your voice matters, right? And the universe is also giving you opportunities, and it is definitely giving you platforms where you can make your voice heard. So be enthusiastic, be open to it, and take those opportunities and make your voice heard. This is what you wanted. Now when you're getting those opportunities, you're getting those opportunities for travel also, when you're meeting people, and even in you're getting the opportunity to speak up even in fun scenarios. You know, it's nothing official. It's not an office meeting where you're afraid that if I say something, something will go wrong. No, even when you are in group settings and you want to say something, probably you're holding back. So it's not that the opportunities to speak up are not coming to you. Feel free to speak. Your voice matters. Your voice certainly matters. There is a change that you can bring about in your relationships and surroundings if you speak up. If you speak up with authenticity, and the universe is constantly pushing you to do that, that is what will give you the clarity that you deserve, right? So, less of emotions, more of being practical, logical, and understanding that this is what I need to say and this is what I need to do. And once you start doing that, you will also see that how certain blocks in your progress have started clearing. We may not understand that, say, for example, that I want to travel, or I want to achieve this, or why is the promotion not happening, or I wanted to go abroad, why is it not happening? And we typically think that, this thing is not happening in our life and it is related to only that aspect. The point is that when we have internal blocks in our own self, that where we are not speaking up, where we are not speaking up with clarity, where we are not setting healthy boundaries, where we are not creating a structured routine for ourselves, the other things that are supposed to manifest in your life, they don't happen. And you know why? Because you're not prepared for it. When that wonderful opportunity to travel, go abroad, do some radical change in your life, when that opportunity comes, what is it that you need? You need to be practical, logical, follow a routine, have a structured approach, bring a balance between your work and the play, work and your family. That is what you need. You need a plan, and you need a structured plan. And you need to follow that plan every day in your daily small activities. That is how you reach where you want to reach, and which is why the big opportunity is not coming to you. So you just need to do that. There is no major block actually. You just need to work on a routine and a structure in your life, and you will see that how your other bigger dreams are now manifesting. So instead of staying in the past, choose to make a choice in the present, and this choice is going to come to you very soon. There is going to come to you a moment in your life very soon, or an opportunity, or in a relationship where you have to make a very big choice. Now, do you want to go back to your old self who always wanted the outcome to be like they want to? Or are you going to be someone who is going to look at their daily activities and see, am I being too emotional? Or am I being too harsh? Or can I be balanced? If you start looking at this choice that is coming to you, and this choice is going to come to you very soon, maybe by May, June, then you will be ready to make that choice. Yeah, definitely. June, by June, I think. May, June, July. something like this will come to you, where you are being asked to make a choice, and you're being asked to break your old habits of wanting everything your way, and you're being asked to make that choice. And if you now choose a new path, if you now choose a new approach and not go back to your fears, you are going to find success in that. There is definitely some kind of a travel or a celebration or an event where you're going to, that is associated with this choice, or this choice is going to lead you to that success, or this choice is going to come to you when you are traveling. There is an event, there is a celebration, you are among people, um, or there is a project that you are planning or leading, and there you are being asked to make the choice. That choice is important because it is giving you the chance to break your old patterns and step into a new life. Yeah. And you may feel that you are very lonely and there is no support for you. I want somebody to help me get the clarity. um, you may feel like that, but you see, you are a very unique person who has a very different, who has a very different unconventional point of view. But the more you keep thinking about it and the less you put it into action, you are going to remain in the dream state. Believe in yourself. There's nothing wrong with your idea. Break the chains where your childhood self is telling you that no, your voice doesn't matter. Your voice definitely matters. So speak up. A very beautiful opportunity for a rebirth and a change and a new fresh chapter in your life is coming. Make the choice. Will you take it?